Welcome back to HealthTech Explorers. Today, we will discuss a clinical data analyst role. What exactly sets a clinical data analyst apart from a regular data analyst? In the era of digital health and artificial intelligence, this role is becoming increasingly critical for pharmaceutical companies, CROs, and hospitals worldwide. Let's break down the differences, core skills, career paths, and project ideas for building a strong portfolio. A clinical data analyst works primarily with clinical and healthcare data linked to patients, clinical trials, and medical research. Unlike a general data analyst who may work across industries with various types of business data, a clinical data analyst processes and analyzes medical data such as electronic health records, clinical trial results, lab values, diagnosis, and procedure codes. Uses specialized standards and terminologies like CDISC, MedDRA, and SNOMED CT, which are critical for regulatory submissions and research compliance. Often works under strict frameworks following good clinical practice or GCP, HIPAA, and GDPR regulations and supports regulatory submissions for agencies like the FDA and EMA. Collaborates closely with clinicians, researchers, pharmaceutical companies, and regulatory bodies. A general data analyst, in contrast, focuses on business metrics, marketing, operations, and financial data, with less emphasis on clinical standards or medical terminology. Key responsibilities of a clinical data analyst: collecting and integrating data from diverse systems like EMR, EDC, and laboratory systems. Validating and cleaning datasets for accuracy and completeness. Conducting statistical and descriptive analyses to support research and regulatory compliance. Building reports for research teams, regulatory authorities, and decision-makers. Supporting clinical trials to improve efficiency and data reliability. What you need to know. Fundamentals of biology, medicine, and clinical processes. SQL and database management for querying and extracting data. Statistical analysis and data visualization using tools like Excel, R, Python, Power BI, or Tableau. Clinical standards and protocols such as GCP and CDISC. Communication skills for presenting findings to clinical and managerial teams. How to find a clinical data analyst job. Take online courses and certifications in clinical data analysis and statistics, for example, Coursera, Udemy, SAS. Build a portfolio using open medical datasets. Monitor job openings in pharma, CROs, and hospitals. Leverage LinkedIn networking, professional conferences, and communities. Consider starting with roles like data coordinator or junior data manager to gain initial experience. Roadmap for a clinical data analyst. Learning medical and biological fundamentals. Mastering SQL and basic statistics. Studying clinical standards like GCP and CDISC. Working with EDC and EMR systems. Data visualization and reporting. Understanding regulatory compliance requirements. Practicing on real-world projects. Developing soft skills like communication and teamwork. Continuous learning, including AI-driven tools and workflows. Project ideas for portfolio or learning. Clinical data cleaning. Work with open datasets like the FDA Adverse Event Reporting System or MIMIC. 3. To clean data and identify risk patterns. Clinical outcomes. Visualization. Create dashboards with interactive charts for patient demographics, treatment responses, or survival outcomes. Clinical trial simulation. Use public data to simulate the impact of different study designs on statistical power. Data integration. Combine EMR data with lab results to study correlations, e.g. between biomarkers and clinical outcomes. Data quality pipeline. Automate error detection in clinical questionnaires and missing values. Predictive modeling. Build machine learning models to predict risk of complications in diabetes or heart failure patients. CDISC standardization. Transform clinical datasets into CDISC SDTM format for regulatory submissions. These projects can be built using Python, Pandas, scikit-learn, R, or BI tools, and added to your resume to showcase your skills to potential employers. A clinical data analyst is more than just a data professional. They bridge healthcare, technology, and regulatory science. With the right mix of medical knowledge, data skills, and regulatory awareness, you can build a career that stays relevant in the age of artificial intelligence and digital health. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe so you don't miss any future videos. See you next time.